ng ating komunidad sa balang araw. Okay? So, first and foremost, I would like to thank the School Parent Teachers Association and the SELG and other officers or organizations of this institution who made this Teachers' Day celebration a possible one. I know as we end this celebration, it would be a successful one because of your collaborative efforts. Kaya ngayon po, in behalf of the teachers, maraming salamat po at kami po ay binigyan nyo ng araw na masaya. And I know it is not only this day na masaya po kami, araw-araw masaya po kami dahil nakakasama po namin kayo. Dahil kung wala pong mga bata, wala din po kami sa aming profesyon na ito at hindi kami mabubuhay sa misyon na binigay ng ating mahal na Panginoon.